can't be no drunk investor. Because then you ain't gonna even be realizing what company you investing your money in if you're drunk. Then you're gonna lose all your money.
I never lose all my money because I stay in the pennies.
Penny people lose money too. Mm-hmm. People put hundreds of dollars on pennies, they can lose them too. Pennies equal up with dollars. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's beautiful. We should just do the show and just, that's, you know what? You see, once you start investing, it changes your whole life. Straight up, it changes your whole life. I used to sit back and drink cognac all the time. I want some yak, dose, you know what I'm saying, Hennessy. When you start investing, it changes you. You know, now you're like, I'll take some Moscato.
That was so corny.
Yeah, so I'll take some Moscato. I thought only women drink Moscato, but this is nice. I only sipped it like, it's my first glass, but I think I'm drunk already. It's like it hit you fast.
That's because I don't drink that cheap shit.
Okay, Moscato.
Would you like some more?
Yeah, I actually would. I should have bought a half a gallon of Moscato. I didn't know so you got the ratio. See, Moscato alcohol level is very low, but the quality is very high. Knowledge.
So does that what does that mean?
That means you got to buy a boatload of Moscato if you're a natural alcoholic like me, or recovering alcoholic, whatever you want to call it. You know, you need a boatload, so you need a gallon, and you need to put no ice in mine. So you're not supposed to drink ice in.
Exactly, you don't put ice in Moscato. You see how ghetto he is.
You have to learn stuff. I tell you about investing.
He want me to go put ice in his Moscato. That's why I had it in the deep freezer so it could stay chill. Matter of fact, here you go.
Thank you, baby.
There you go. You can have it.
So when you sip it, is you supposed to leave the pinky out too?
Like yeah, but you gotta swirl it around the glass. You gotta swirl the glass around.
And you sniff it.
You gotta have your pinky up so people can see you swirl the liquid around in the glass. Yeah, you got some big ass hands. You coming up the whole.
Yeah, I think I might hurt somebody if these fingers are all out there like that. Oh, that's kind of far. How is that so far from the glass? They're like, that's a far. Yeah.
See, like that. You see how you hold it? Yeah, you're supposed to swirl it around. Yeah, there you go.
Swig it.
Look at you. You're a connoisseur now.
Mm-hmm. So you got to sip lightly and watch your stocks go up. I might sip some of this in the morning.
In the morning? No.
Yeah. Because this makes you feel good. You just like, when you ain't got to worry about it, you just watch your stock market and just like sit back and just sip on this.
That goes to show you his life is way too fabulous. You can get up in the morning talking about drinking some damn Moscato. Us regular people have to go to work.
Yeah, this is an entrepreneur show. I encourage entrepreneurs. You can be like whoever you want to with the penny stocks and go to work for your penny stocks.
Penny thoughts.
Yeah, this get you. This get you. Oh,
he called me a penny thought.
Okay, penny stocks. But so if you want to do a boss move,
I'm a penny thought.
You make a business, you create a business, and then you just spend all your time putting your work into that business, and then you can sip Moscato while you working your business.
Not in the morning though. That was bad.
If you could,
no.
I ain't advising that. That's what
you
I do. Don't do what I do. Don't do what I do.
Somebody gonna wake up in the morning and drink, they gonna get put out. You gonna destroy somebody's whole entire marriage.
Well, if they can't drink Moscato in their house,
in the morning,
they need to be put out.
You're encouraging people to wake up.
You need to get booted.
You encouraging somebody to wake up in the morning. No,
I'm not encouraging. I'm telling you what I'm doing.
Because they wife probably want them to wake up and go job searching or do something.
Then that means I can't say that. Yeah, they're bum probably. They're in bum training. Let me change that. They're in bum training. They trying to get transition from the bum to a real man.
And they gonna say, well, the millionaire guy on the video Money Talk told me to wake up.
He sipping up and drink Moscato, so I'm sipping Moscato watching him. Yeah, that's bad. Somebody gonna get kicked out. I don't want to cause no domestic violence.
Why don't you tell the truth and be honest? Tell them how long it took you to build and to get where you are.
It took me 5 days.
Oh my God.
Well, I'll tell you, this is good. This is really good, but it took years of hard work and dedication.
What is that, liquid lies in that cup?
I don't know. It just make you say all kind of crazy stuff. I'm glad I started sipping this after the video, because you probably wouldn't have made it. I see why you was only want to do one video, because this is delicious. We need to invest in Moscato. See, that's why you don't do drunk investing, because you sitting there, they probably don't even make no money off there.
I don't know. It's a pretty good brand. Shout out to Stella Rose.
Man, they did have different flavors.
Their new pineapple Moscato.
I'm looking. They had like flavors. They had pineapple, peach, mango. They had something else. But what if you get weed infused Moscato?
Here we go.
Oh, that would
Every
be
time he start drinking, he come up with these dumbass ideas.
Man, that would be weed infused Moscato. So, you know what I'm saying? Not only you get a little buzz, but you get a little extra buzz off the Moscato.
How are you gonna? Okay, explain to me like I'm 5. How are you gonna weed infuse Moscato?
Oh, okay. Well, I'm ready for that. Nah, I ain't got to research that.
Okay.
You take good marijuana, you know, some OG Kush or something. You smash it down and you get it into a liquid form. Take that liquid form. Get the level out, make sure you don't get nobody no overdose. You too much of how you gone. But you put that with the Moscato, and you can blend in the flavors. A little OG Kush with a little Moscato, you know, watermelon or something maybe. And then, you in there. So you ain't even got to need nothing but one glass, and you going to be gone. Talk about just one glass. You just sit there and sip on the Moscato.
Oh, I'm sorry. I fall asleep on
it's
bullshit.
Like you done hit like 3 L's and a little pint or something.
You know, stay woke.
That in my you know hotel restaurant. I'm still gonna make that. Wait till I get the. Well, she laughed. Yeah, yep. Cause it's go way back. It'll go way. Yep. Let's go way back. And one of my big ideas that ain't came to life yet.
Okay, just for you people who don't know, when I met my husband 12 years ago, he told me he wanted to open up a restaurant, and I said, okay. That's cool, but restaurants are, you know, hard to deal with unless you have like something that you're selling that other people don't, because most restaurants now are franchising. And what kind of restaurant are you going to open up that will stay open and keep you in competition, you know, on a month? So he came up with the idea to open up a hotel restaurant.
Where Eating Nap, I think that should be a name. Eating Nap or something.
And he wanted to call it Eating Naps. So you could come into this all-you-can-eat buffet restaurant.
No, not buffet, because it's going to be exclusive.
You said it was going to be a buffet.
I stopped. No, the buffet would be bad. That's a lot of money wasted. No, because it's exclusive. I don't be wasting having baked beans and chicken and stuff sitting there wasting. Ain't nobody going to use. No, you order what you get. But you order your food, and you sit back and you eating your food, and you drinking your weed-infused Moscato. And what most people do when they eat a nice, good meal and they weed-infused Moscato, they get the itis. They like, man, I want to take a little nap, but I don't want to drive shawty home, and then I got to go to the hotel room and all this stuff. But what if, in my little nice table, I can have me like a little, you know, little bed, something behind it or some kind of way that I can take a little nap. And, you know what I'm saying? And just, you know what? Give me 8 hours. You know, I'm going to take 8 hours. So 6 hours.
I don't even know why people would even watch this video to even entertain that bullshit that you just said.
Because you're going to eat good. Then you got to pay for the nap. And you got to pay for the food.
Anybody who's starting a business or deciding to
come find me, because I got it.
Listen to this video so you can know when businesses are doomed for failure.
Man. Eating naps. Eating naps. Well, I'm talking about eating naps. That'll change the game. What can you go to eat delicious food, get fucked up, and take a nap? Nowhere. And then we can get long time. We can get like sweets. You know what I'm saying? You can do like the I want to stay at the Eat Nap Palace.
Okay, here's the thing.
That's what Jay-Z gonna stay at.
Let me break down your bad idea. Okay. So you've eaten and you're really full, right? The meal is probably going to cost a certain amount of money. Okay, so now I paid this large amount of money for the food and I'm full. Now you're going to ask for another substantial amount of money for a room.
Optional.
Or you're going to have some kind of package deal.
Yes.
Like Eating Nap if you
order. You got like a 4-hour package deal. You got like a 6-hour, you know, or you got that 8-hour like, you know, full time. You know, you got part-time, full-time. Okay.
So these people are going to have the rooms for 4 hours?
It's not going to be a room. See, I was thinking that room might cost too much. Okay. But what if you pull like a curtain? You pull a curtain around them and you get them like a little futon. Eating naps. They straight. I mean, you got a futon.
Oh my God.
You good.
You know what? If you watch this video, my husband is not this dumb. This is just a dumb drunk idea he came up with 12 years ago. And it's funny because he seems to still believe in it.
Eating naps. Eating naps. Just like, Cole with the rent spoon.
So it might not
rent
be.
spoon. Rent a spoon.
So this might not be as funny to y'all as it is to me. Because I'm sitting up here trying to figure out how is he so smart and so dumb at the same.
That is smart. I'm telling you, you eat you a nice little good meal, and you just, you know what? I'm gonna take 6. I'm gonna take a part time 6 hours.
So the curtain,
and you're gonna be like, thank you. You're gonna close the curtains. Boom, you straight. But if you eat your food and it's time for you to go, it's time for you to go. We got customers outside waiting,
so
baby. This is
you got other
deal.
people eating around your restaurant, but you got curtains drawn. What if somebody's snoring? Or what if somebody start having sex or
social
something?
distance.
What if they get a
and
little
then you put insulation in the curtains, so that way you don't even got to hit that much.
Okay, so soundproof booth installation curtains at the eating now.
And that's when you upsell. You sell them on condoms. Because more likely they're going to be there with somebody they ain't supposed to be. It's going to be a lot of them, so they're going to sell them on condoms, lubrications.
But how are you going to have sex? Other people are going to know that if you only got a curtain drawn right there.
It's going to be a black. Everything will be black. I like black. It's going to be just in the black.
But area. Even a black curtain drawn, people will still know that somebody's having sex.
You don't know what we're doing. If it's a black room, all you see is black. You can't.
I done brought my children to this restaurant. You know what I'm saying? And we're trying to sit down and eat.
No, this is not for kids. Everybody, this is not going to be for kids. This is an adult restaurant here.
So first of all,
this ain't no family restaurant here.
Your restaurant is discrimination from the dough.
Well, you know what? Okay, we can separate. We can have the family side, and then we have the nasty side. Or you can have like levels. They have like levels of clubs. What they have a level of eating naps. You know what I'm saying? You want to be in the freaky level side? Yeah, you know what's gonna go on now, so you can't discriminate there. Do you want to be on the family side?
I hope nobody.
The whole family can take a little nap. You get like a big recliner chair or something.
I hope this video is a video that just stays between me and you.
This gonna go epic. This is I'm posting this tonight. This shit going on tonight. I'm eating now. Cause I'm looking for somebody. Somebody gonna watch this. Is gonna be like, you know what?
They gonna call you.
Man, I got $18 million. And this dude got the plan. Come on, let's work together. You run it. I'm gonna give you the money. The dude, eating naps. You like a club, different levels. You got the hood eating nap level. For the African American, they play nothing little Jay-Z, little nice little Beyonce, little slow, slow jams there. You got the family section. The nasty section. That's where you make the most money because there's a lot of nasty people in America. Okay. There's a lot of nasty people.
Well, I'm like the people on Shark Tank. I'm out.
Come on, Damon. Where you at, Damon? Where you at? I got one. Come on. Come on.
I'm out.
The dude on the Mavericks and shit. What's his name? Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban.
Oh, he gonna be out from the door. He gonna be out before you even get there and tell your story.
Like, you know what? It's
the black dude is gonna shake his head because he gonna be embarrassed.
He gonna just leave. He's gonna be like, "Who brought this brother on the show? Who brought this brother on? Y'all doing this shit on purpose." Eat naps or some shit like this. This is what the day is. Today is December the I don't even know what day. December the 5th, 2020, and I just figured out Moscato is very beautiful. And
wait! After you shitted on it for so long, though, let's talk about that.
Because maybe it was the flavors or something. They didn't came.
You said it was punk ass liquor. It was for girls, and you would never drink it, and don't bring it out.
That was the Calico's Jack.
Oh.
That's a ratchet drink to me now.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Pineapple coconut rum from Calico's Jack is not ratchet. When have you ever seen anybody in the hood buy that?
That's low level stuff. Man, I'm moving
It's
up.
used for mixed drinks.
You and your penny stocks we're gonna have to come together. You're gonna have to move out of the penny stock game in advance, baby, because it be.
But you know what? I still drive convertibles and I go wherever I want to go.
You're beautiful too. Like, you look good. This was kind of good.
So apparently penny stocks ain't that bad. Why you hating? You hear him hating on penny stocks? I'm gonna call all my penny stock people gonna whoop y'all day traders ass.
Ain't that? Well, he ready. He ain't got enough money. Y'all gonna be too busy at work trying to work for them penny stocks before y'all can even think about us. Oh.
But since we work, that means we ain't lazy. We'll beat y'all ass.
Oh man, y'all got the union.
Damn day traders. Can't stand them.
Oh man,
you can smell them. You can smell them like a disease. You can see a day trader a mile away. Just go to a big city and walk into a public crowd. You can just point out day traders. It's like they vampire. You just point them out.
They're like wolves watching the sheep. They follow the trend. Follow the trend. You gotta follow the trend.
They like an Illuminati.
You gotta follow the trend. Oh man, this is delicious. You know what? I can't even do this recording no more. I gotta get some more Moscato. This is delicious. I didn't even know Moscato tasted like this. Oh.
The other Moscato ain't cold.
Okay. Damn, that's
fucking day trader.
Nice like this.